Hi friends, in this video we will see support confidence lift conviction. So first, what is meant by support? So to understand that, here I taken one small table. So that is, first here see it contains a set of items, capital I equal to milk, bread, butter, beer. These are the item. These are the different items in the item set capital I. Here I am having the association rule: butter, bread tends to milk. So meaning if butter and bread are bought, the customer also buys milk. So in this, what is the support of milk, support of bread, support of butter, support of beer? So all these we will find out, and we will see. Okay. So first, for milk we have to find out support means. Support is nothing but frequency of that items by total number of transaction. For example, here in this table, here ones represents the presence of item, 0 represents the absence of item. Support of a milk, if you want to find out how many number of times milk came 2 times. In total 5 transactions, milk came 2 times. That's why the support is 2 by 5. 2 is the number of times milk came, number of times milk present in the transactions. So that is the 2. 2 by total number of transactions 5. 2 by 5. That is the support for milk. Support for bread is 1, 2, 3. 3 by 5. Number of transactions containing bread is 3 by total number of transactions 5. 3 by 5. For butter, support of butter is how many number of times butter present? 1, 2. 2 times. 2 by 5. Total number of transactions 5. 2 by 5. For beer, what is the support? 1 by 5. How many times beer came? 1. 1 by total number of transactions 5. 1 by 5. So in this way we can find out the support. Support of X is defined as proportion of transactions data set which contains the item set. In the example database item set, milk, bread, butter has a support of 1 by 5. See in that table, in the above table, milk, bread, butter, all the items we are having only in one transaction. We have to get the all transaction in single, all the items in single transactions. Only fourth transactions contains all the items, butter, bread, milk, all the items we are having in the fourth transaction. That's why 1 by 5. Support of milk, bread, butter is 1 by 5. That is point 2. Next, confidence of a rule. We have to find out the confidence of a rule. Confidence of X implies Y. So here X is a butter, bread, Y is milk. We can find out confidence by using the formula support of X union Y by support of X. Support of X union Y. Here see, support of X union Y means bread, butter, milk. All the 3 items we are having in only one transaction. That's why support of X union Y is the 1 by 5. Support of X union Y is the 1 by 5. 1 by 5 means 0.2. Next, support of X. Support of X means only butter and bread. Butter and bread we are having in butter and bread. That also we are having in both in fourth transaction only. So that's why it is 1 by 5. So 1 by 5 by 1 by 5. That is 0.2 by 0.2. 0.2 by 0.2 equal to 1. So confidence we can find out by support of X union Y by support of X. Support of X union Y is nothing but the all the items. Bread, butter is here. These are this item set is the X. Milk is Y. So X union Y means bread, butter, milk, all the items. So all the items we are having only in one transaction, 1 by 5. By bread, butter. Those 2 items set also we are having in only one transaction, 4th transaction. That's why it is also 1 by 5. That is 0.2. 0.2 by 0.2. It means 1. So this is the confidence. Okay. So concepts of association mining rule X implies Y. For that, support we have to find out means support equal to frequency of X comma Y by total number of transactions capital N. Confidence is frequency of X comma Y by frequency of X. Lift equal to, we are having formula support of entire transactions, that is nothing but frequency of x comma y, we can say support of x comma y or support of x union y by support of x into support of y. So this support confidence we have already seen example. For this lift we will see example here. Milk bread tends to butter. The lift of a rule is defined as the ratio of support to support of x into support of y. That means the ratio of observed support means total support. Support of x union y. Support of x union y by support of x into support of y. That is milk bread tends to butter. Here x is milk comma bread, y is butter. Then it has a lift of support of x union y. Milk bread butter 1/5 by support of x. Milk bread we are having in 2 transactions. 2/5 into butter we are having in 2 transactions. 2/5. That is 0.2 by 0.4 into 0.4. That is 1.25. This is the lift of association rule. Next, conviction of a rule is defined as conviction of x implies y equal to 1 minus support of y by 1 minus confidence of x implies y. That is 1 minus support of y. For y, what is the support? For x implies y, what is the confidence? Those we have to substitute here. 1 minus support of y by 1 minus confidence of x implies y. So here milk comma bread is x. So butter is nothing but y. So then support of y for butter we are having support 0.4. That's why 1 minus 0.4 by 1 minus 0.5. X implies y means that is confidence of x implies y. So that is 0.5. That's why 1 minus 0.4 by 1 minus 0.5. That is 1.2. So in this way you can find out lift and conviction also. Just simply we are having formula for lift is support of x union y by support of x into support of y. That is formula for lift. For conviction we are having formula 1 minus support of y by 1 minus confidence of x implies y. Already we have seen how to calculate support and confidence. Just we have to calculate the support and confidence and we have to substitute in this formula. So then we can get the conviction. In the same way we have to find out the support for x union y and support for x, support for y. So with those we can get the lift. Okay, these are the support, confidence, lift, conviction. So all these. I hope you understood. Thank you.